kvCORE is now Boldtrails. Here are 3 features I want to highlight for you that I think are the best after a few months using it. Now, real quick, what is Boldtrails? Boldtrails took some of the best features from kvCORE and Boomtown and kind of married them together. Here's what you should be paying attention to. Number 1, custom page builder. Not only do they have 14 templates you can choose to create buyer and seller guides, open houses, content, video landing pages, but you have the ability to create a page from scratch with their new builder, and it's worth exploring. Now go to your web and IDX portion of your dashboard. Now once you hit create a custom page here, you'll notice a bunch of drag and drop functionality. You can fill in the blanks on these blocks and have a custom page within a few minutes. We recommend you build out a custom page for some of the following topics. Areas. Most realtors focus on 3 or 4 areas or cities or farm. Create a custom page for each and list things to do, places to see, talk about the area, and act like a local on these pages. These are great for relocation buyers you might be working with, or great for families looking for new things to do to explore in your area. Keep in mind, lead capture can easily be built into all of these pages. We can build any custom page on any topic that you'd like. Military relocation, all things San Diego, video FAQs, or anything in your real estate business you want to highlight or promote. One last thing on the custom pages is a feature that's hidden I found really helpful. At the top, you can add in a menu, similar to a website primary navigation menu at the top of the page. This allows you to link to other pages and keep consumers engaged with different options for content you've built. You'll see all available content blocks you can use right here on the right. I'm a marketing guy. I love generating leads. This is how to embed lead capture or a form onto these custom pages that we've seen great results with. We recommend you highlight the area. We recommend lead capture, but we recommend you add in photos, images, and videos to these pages as well, which Boldtrail has made it really, really easy. So I'd love to know, what have you loved within the new Boldtrail system? Feel free to share it in the comments below.